people, welcome back to the channel. New car, but look at the state of it. These gloves, I haven't even done any work, but look at the state of them. Don't buy cheap gloves. The real reason for this video and this channel, this bad boy. It's been probably about 2.5, 3 weeks since I took her out of the garage. Long time, missed you dearly. What we're gonna do is change some stuff. Firstly, it's been bugging me ever since I'd done it and I didn't do it. But these, I need to put some Loctite on them. Oh, Deliveroo, round here, yeah? Okay. Not Deliveroo, Uber Eats. The car's so brand new, this hasn't even been taken off. But anyway, bullshit gloves, don't buy them, because that happens every single time. We've got Loctite. We need to put this bad boy onto these before this bad boy shakes them out while I'm riding at 35 miles an hour. You know, speed limit and all that. So I'm gonna get that done. I'll show you a little clip, but really it's gonna be boring as hell. So I'll just show you the end result. As you've seen, that one's done. The blue third Loctite thing is behind. I'm gonna go ahead, do the same on that one, and you just have to believe me. That mod is done, and we'll move on to the next one. What we're gonna do now, firstly, is change these gloves, because they mash up. Then, we're gonna attempt this. What that is? Oh, it's not an Allen, it's a Torx. Okay, so the Allen keys might as well go away. And we put the Torx bit onto those. So, let me get the Torx set and take this front fender off. And bingo, just like that, I've got it in the first try. They come with a rubber washer, which you need to keep safe. And it's off. Look at the state of that. Absolute mess. And I'm going to pick you guys up and show you the bike without a front fender. See those gold forks though. Now I've made sure it's not touching anywhere. As you can see in these gaps, nothing is rubbing, nothing is touching. I've hand tightened it and then given it another quarter turn just to make sure it's sat in place. There's ample room underneath. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I'm a professional BMW technician. So if you need anything doing on any of your BMW bikes, do not hit me up, because I don't know what I'm doing. Now we have matching front and back. There we go. minus the mess. Don't look at that. Ignore that. Peace out.
Whatever, it's not a big deal. You're a cunt.